Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we are continuing our Google Docs series, and we're going to be showing you guys how to change the default text settings. So as you can see, if I go ahead and type here, welcome to 8482, you will see that it's impact set at 12. All right. Now the standard for Google Docs, we can go ahead and highlight, come to normal text options, and we can say reset styles. The standard for Google Docs that you guys will have set is Arial at font 11. And so if you do want to change that, if you're working with Times New Roman or a different font style that you always use for Google Docs, instead of having to change the text every single time, you're just going to want to change it once. So we can go ahead and let's select Times New Roman, and we want it to be size 15. So go ahead and select whatever you guys would like. And what you want to do is you want to come over to our styles. You want to hover over the normal text, since that's what you've created, and you want to say update normal text to match. All right. Once we click update normal text to match, we're going to come back to our styles and come under options. And then we can click this button here, save as my default styles. Once that's done, your text should be updated, and you can simply test it by opening up a new browser. We can go ahead and type doc.new, which will pop up our Google Doc. And as you can see, the text is Times New Roman, style 15, and we can say, hope that helps. All right, so that is how you're going to change your default text settings within Google Docs. You can also do this for titles, subtitles, headings, heading 2s, heading 3s. But for the sake of this tutorial, we've just covered the normal text. Drop a comment below if you have any other questions in Google Docs or any online software. We record all kinds of simple, quick tutorials. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and have a great day.